Good morning, students. Nowadays, the advancement of science is remarkable. It's unbelievable, very extraordinary. In that way, we are going to see a poem which is very actually it lives it from the space. The topic is the comet. You know what is comet? Let me tell you. This poem is written by Norman Littleford, a very famous poet. This is from Unit 6. The topic is comet. Let me tell you what is the comet. A comet is an icy small solar system body that when passing close to the sun it warms and begins to release gases. That process called outgassing. So this produces a visible atmosphere or a coma and sometimes also tail. So do you get when it's already it's like passing close to the sun's a small solar system body and it has a tail. I can say it in Tamil, wal nachatram, shooting star, wall mean that is called the here comet. So this poem here just gave it to the speed, that speed of comet and it effect, and the movement of this comet is highly noted in this poem. So let us see what is the comet and what was the speciality about it. Okay, let me read the poetic lines and then I'll explain stanza wise. The comet. I'm going to read the poetic lines. There are 6 stanzas given. First three stanza is your memory part, memorizer. Okay. Rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night. A spectacle of a lifetime, a comet is in full flight. Faster than a cheetah, with a tail that's miles long, bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. The outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force, and leaves a trail behind it as it travels on its course. If one should come too close to Earth, the atmosphere will shake, with shock wave reaching to the ground, causing the land to quake. Scientists Scientists say that chemicals in the dust they leave behind could have started life on the earth, which resulted in mankind. I cannot say I cannot say if this is true. I do not have the right, but I know no better spectacle than the comet is in full flight. So let me summarize the important predominant points, a very important overall plot of this poem. Let me explain to you. The poet here speaks about the spectacular sight. Spectacular, very interesting, keen sight of a comet is in full speed. I don't know how many of us have seen this. Even I didn't see this. Maybe in our childhood, we don't have a clear memory. We would have seen this spectacular sight of a comet in full speed. The poet observes how the comet rampages means moving fast, rampages through the heavens continuously day and night. It moves faster than a cheetah with a tail that is miles long. So the tail is so long. When we see it from the earth, it looks very at least in one maybe in 1 feet or 2 feet, but real it is very long tail. It is as powerful as strong like a mountain. The outer ice melts, whose vapor leaves a long trail as it courses. A trail means it's a path. We would have seen some when it is satellites. It goes some kind of a rocket. You know, it leaves the way. It leaves the path that is called the trail that leaves when the comet is moved. It will shake the atmosphere and the shock wave will lead to an earthquake. Scientists believe that the chemicals left behind by the comet has given rise to life on Earth. The poet is not sure if that is true. However, he is well aware of the fact that the passage of a comet is best spectacular sight ever seen in his life. So what is here important? The if anyone get a chance to meet or meet means to see, if anyone get a very lucky chance to see when the comet moves, that should be his lifetime opportunity and lifetime happy sight when compared to other things in his life. So if you get a chance to see a comet when it moves, then your life, your wish to be fulfilled, and that is what your life expect. So this is point, this is the very important note that is mentioned in this poem. Let me tell you stanza wise. So the first stanza: rampaging through the heavens, never stopping day or night, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet is in full flight. A comet is in full flight means when it moves. A flight, what is a flight? It's a fly. It moves. So this is the first stanza. Let me explain you. So here the poet says and states a departure, move from somewhere in the heaven, and talks about it continuous journey that is never stopping day and night. It is continuous journey which is conducted without any stoppage. Any stoppage means no one can stop it. Of watching a full bright comet is mesmerizing and incomparable with any other on the earth. So rampaging through the heaven, moves from heaven, never stopping day or night, at a long journey, a spectacle of a lifetime, a comet is in full flight. It will be the lifetime opportunity, it will be the lifetime great lucky chance to see a comet in full flight. Okay, next it's a comparison. Comet is compared compared to the cheetah. Cheetah is the very fastest animal, right? It is very fastest, faster than a cheetah, with a trail, with a tail that miles long, bigger than a mountain, so powerful and strong. He compares in this stanza, he compares it with the speed of a cheetah and finds it faster than him. So when comet moves, it is very faster. It is very very faster than cheetah. He adds that the tail of a comet is much larger than much very larger than the cheetah, and it may extend up to many miles. We don't know. When we see it from the earth, it is very short, maybe into 1 feet or 2 feet or very few centimeter, but really it would have very long. It seems to be much greater and stronger than the mountains even. Then third, the outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force. Already I told you it is a icy solar system. No, the outer ice is melting, causing vapor from the force, and leaves a trail behind it as it travels on its course. Then the poet discusses that a falling comet scientifically and identify the scientific reason to the trail that it leaves behind. See, already I told you that it is a comet is an icy solar system body. So when it moves, it leaves a trail. It's a path behind it. He says that melting of the ice in the outer surface of the comet result in the formation. When it moves, the outer area it is just leave. When look like it from the earth, it just make a way, make a path. That is what he makes. How would we see that path? The outer area is melting when moves the comet from one place to another place, actually falls one place to the heaven to earth. So we can see that the trail after leaving the icy outer icy areas. Then fourth stanza: if one should come too close to earth, the atmosphere will shake with a shock wave reaching to the ground and causing the land to quake. So what is that? Which is something he's also informed the reader, okay, about the devastating impact of his closeness to the earth. If one should come to close means, if one means any one of the comets, any one comet comes too close to the earth, that the atmosphere will shake. Okay, that is he also discusses to the scientific point of view. As a scientist say that the chemicals found last fifth stanza, scientists say the chemicals in the dust they leave behind could have started life on earth which resulted in mankind. How scientists say that, scientists they say chemicals found in the dust of the comet might have resulted in the start of life on the earth. Even they leave some chemicals when it moves, that have their own life on the earth. But finally, I cannot say if this is true. I do not have any right. But I know no better spectacle than a comet is in full flight. So finally, he validate that he insists, he has not seen any scene which is surpassed in his life, which the beauty of this spectacle. And he says that he don't have any right to say whether the scientist is true, whether the chemicals have started their own life. But he only know that when the spectacle sight of a comet, when he get a chance to see the comet in full flight, that will be the lifetime opportunity to enjoy the moment. He says that will be the most spectacular sight than anything in the life. So I hope you understand once again, and let me summarize this poem. So here a great appreciation of nature, that is a comet. The author instigate and explain how beautiful to get a chance to see a full sight, a full flight of the comet when it moves, and scientifically it is good, and how it is leave the how long it has tail, how he leave the trails, and also just faster, very very faster than cheetah, and how the scientists say it's the chemicals have started its their own life of mankind, and finally he agree that he cannot say that is the true of what the scientist says, but he also admit that confront that he does not have any right to say what the scientists say. But according to his view, he only know the better experience and better spectacle that to see a full flight of the comet. So here you just want to write the poem appreciation questions. I know what is appreciation, and two poem paragraph, write it in your classwork, mom. First three stanza is your memorator, okay. You don't want to write memory part in your classwork, only appreciation question and paragraph. Memory stanza we can study it in our textbook. So the first three stanza is a memorator, and appreciation question and the poem paragraph you have to you must write it in your classwork, ma'am. Study well. Thank you.